Yes, ready. It has accordingly announced its refinance scheme in respect of loans given for low income housing of up to 40 square meters stop. Similarly, in land development and housing projects financed by it, the bank will ensure that not less than 75% of the plots to be thus developed or houses to be built will be for those seeking built up accommodation up to 40 square meters scope. Stop. The prospect of owning a house is a major incentive for saving. Stop. We have therefore decided to establish a new scheme called the Home Loan Account Scheme, which will be launched by the National Housing Bank in cooperation with scheduled banks stop to facilitate participation by all segments of the community, especially in rural areas. The minimum contribution to the saving scheme is fixed at rupees 30 per month or rupees 360 per annum stop. The savings will earn interest at 10% per annum stop. Any individual not owning a house anywhere will be eligible to join the scheme stop after saving for a minimum period of 5 years. A member will be eligible for a loan equal in amount to a multiple of the accumulated savings, including interest. Specific efforts will be made to link up the home loan account scheme with the registration for land or house allotment by public agencies. Stop. I will propose certain tax concessions for these savings. Stop. Let me now turn to the industrial sector. I have referred to the good performance of the industry and infrastructure sector. Stop. We believe that the changes with regard to industrial licensing, price and distribution controls and trade policy that we have made over the past few years have paid rich dividends. Stop. The underlying scheme of these policy changes is to promote both growth and efficiency by stimulating domestic competition, technology acquisition and modernization. Stop. Our industrial structure is now very complex. Many segments have reached a certain degree of maturity. In this situation, it is possible for us to relax many of our detailed regulations and yet remain in control over the direction of development through a judicious use of fiscal and credit policies. Stop. In furtherance of this approach, the government has decided to decontrol the pricing and distribution of cement and aluminium with immediate effect. Stop. Since the partial decontrol of cement from 28th February 1982, the cement industry has witnessed an impressive growth. Stop. The production of cement, which was 21.01 million tons in 1981-82, is stated to increase to 48.5 million tons in 1988-89 and 49 million tons in 1989-90 stock.